didn't change, that's correct. Because I'm more than 2 years in this innovation doing this stuff. So at the beginning, 2 or 3 years ago, I had the feeling I was alone as an insurance innovator. I was the only one. And then in the last 2 to 3 years, there came a lot of other guys and cool innovators that are trying to improve the insurance industry. So now, in addition, we have this InsurTech startup boom, where a lot of investors and startups realized, hey, insurance is a perfect digital product. It's completely automatable, completely digitalizable, and they have sensed that. They got a lot of money from investors, and now we have this wave of InsurTech startups that are coming after the insurance companies, yes, and bringing us new ideas and innovation in technology. So it has changed, yes, but from inside of an insurance company, they still want to do business as usual. So you still need more insurance innovators, but they hear us already. And Baloise, for example, the company I work for, is one of the leading insurers who is investing heavily in innovation and is giving serious thought about how can we improve our existing business and how can we get our employees and technical systems up to date.
Okay.
But it's a very hard job.
Other opinions or other views on that, or do you agree?
I agree that on one thing, perception has changed. If you also look at what, for example, look at conferences, I remember exactly InsurTech at the beginning shared the stage with the FinTech part. FinTech was huge, had a center stage, and InsurTech was just crammed into a small space with a lot of people with a lot of energy and interest. And now it's a full-blown conference where you have a lot of people coming in. So you see all insurers have realized that they need to do something, and it's no longer about belittling the InsurTech guys and thinking that these are not relevant for us because they will not change the system. Now the question is really about how do you make that change and how do you bring that about? And I think one of the big issues here is how to scale innovation that is coming in, because as you said, there's a lot of innovation activity, but the question is, what's the impact on the top line and the bottom line? And so far, the largest part of the business is not yet touched on it.
Okay. Any additions?
Yeah, just a little bit. I think we agree everybody has realized that innovation is needed, and if you don't innovate, you're gone. But I think for many insurance companies, they have a misconception about innovation, and they think innovation is digitization. And just going from paper-based processes to digital processes is not innovation, it's just a shitty process that's now digital and way too fast for humans to comprehend. So you need to rethink from product to customer experience to all the processes internally, where do you want to be in the next 5 or 10 years? And not many of them have yet realized that. So I think there's a gap there.